It is time to propose or to show I'm ready, or it's just time to show off your cooking abilities and pamper your date, then it's time to enroll in this class. I will show you a 3-course menu with wonderful finger food appetizers, very impressive on your date but super easy to assemble. The most romantic risotto ever, strawberry risotto, prepared with homemade vegetable broth, and a chocolate cake with a soft heart that will make you and your date feel in heaven. The class will also include general do and don'ts on the ingredients not to choose or to choose for a dinner date, and a specific timetable to plan every single detail of your preparations so you won't stress out. There is also a video on how to choose the authentic Italian Prosecco if you want to pair Prosecco with your recipes tonight. Are you ready to start cooking for your date?